Matter of fact, and not start your own garden. If you live around, in the South somewhere, look at that indigenous plants. There's, natural garlic, natural onions. There's a lot of things that are out there in nature that grow that's good for you. Dandelion leaves, all that is good for you. We're just not aware. They got to go into the supermarkets, you know,
Yeah.
especially in the
Yep.
South. There's walnut trees, there's all kinds of trees, apples. Our people survive off the environment. And you know what? We live healthier lives. We live healthier lives. Start your own garden. And if you don't know how to garden, learn how to garden. It's easy. It's
Yep.
easy.